My kitten has really been loving this cat bed. She especially loves the little pom-pom that hangs down in the middle. She has spent a lot of time playing with that. But in general, she loves being in a little cozy cave under something. She likes kind of hiding away, so this is perfect for her. So it is heated on the inside and it works with a USB cord, which is pretty long, so you don't have to put it too close to an outlet. And it kind of works a little bit like an electric blanket. On the inside, it doesn't get too hot. It's just really cozy and warm to the touch. It is definitely very well made and is kind of a felt material, and it was very easy to assemble. It comes with these support bars that you string through little loops on the inside, and that just kind of keeps your cat from squishing the cat bed. She has another one that she likes jumping on top of, and it just completely flattens. But as you can see, this one holds her weight pretty well. Then after you have that put together, you just zip the top onto the base, and then it's ready for your kitten to use. Like I said, this is just a cozy, safe spot for your cat to kind of settle down and rest, and my kitten has really loved it.